This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable cutlery, specifically this bamboo cutlery. You can see you can buy separate pieces like your fork, knife, or spoon, or sets, which is fantastic. And there's two sizes here. We have the 8-inch, which is available individually and as a set, and also the 6 3/4 inch, which I have a knife and a spoon for. And these are made from sustainable bamboo, which is a great option and a fantastic alternative to plastics. And it's both biodegradable and commercially compostable, which makes it a fantastic environmentally friendly option. The added bonus is that they're wood, so it gives it kind of a little bit more of an upscale feel for a disposable, and it has a charming yet kind of rustic feel to it. So it's a way to add a soft, natural touch to a place setting if you're looking for disposable options for either takeout or weddings or other catered functions. These bamboo utensils are both scratch resistant and break resistant. They're actually very sturdy, so they're a fantastic option if you're looking to do catered meals and functions, but you want disposable flatware for the easy cleanup. So these are a great alternative to plastics if you're looking for disposable flatware, either as individual utensils, whether that's to put out at a buffet or to slip in with some takeout, or if you're looking for sets. And I really like that the sets come in their own individual little bags. It makes them easy to put out at the end of a buffet or just next to a place setting.